Hi, welcome to the Cool Tech channel. Today we will show you one tool that we got from the Banggood shop to help us with some of our projects. This time we will unbox and show you the USB Digital Microscope. So first, if you like what we do, please subscribe and press the notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what you think. So to help us with some of our projects that require small and delicate soldering jobs, we got a digital microscope from Banggood. You can find a link to this project in the description below. The microscope is connected to your PC with USB cable just like regular webcam and allows you to see the image on your monitor. It really helps to see even the small assembly components that are very difficult even with magnifying glass. So let's begin with seeing what we got in the box, how to set it up, and in the end I will talk about my conclusions about the project. Hi, I wanted to share with you this product which we got, which is the digital microscope with USB connection to your PC that may help you with your own projects. Let's see what we got in the box. This is how the box looks. The black color, 500X. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so what we got here? I guess that's what holds the microscope. We got the microscope itself, USB cable. This one, I guess it's the light intensity, we'll see in a minute. This is the microscope. Let's see what else we got. Goes here, if I'm right. Okay. And we got some kind of screw. Ruler. Installation disc, and the base of the microscope has some weight to it. Okay, let's assemble and see how it works. So first of all, you need this screw hold the base. Should go like this, and the screw from the bottom. Okay, so you have a little, I'm not sure that you're able to see it, little pin here, and also this little notch right here. It's difficult to see. Yeah, here it is. See? They should match. this. Now we need this. Go in here. Okay. So now we have the base ready. See? And with this you can adjust the height of the microscope. Okay, let's see. Open the cable. The USB cable is about 1 meter long. And just clicks inside. Okay, now we got it locked. Like this. Okay. Now let's connect it to our PC and see how it looks. So go ahead and use the attached CD. Once you open the CD content, you will see that you have an instruction PDF file. Let's go over it. We need to open measurement.exe. Then follow the setup wizard. So let's see, we have here for Windows 10. I guess I will use this one. English. Next. Yes. Let's see custom what it installs. Just files. Okay. Install. Finish. Now once you open the software, you can see the image from your microscope, which is excellent, I think. See? Oh, you really can see all the SMD components, which I'm not able to see without the microscope. Excellent. Let's see. Now you really can inspect some PCBs. Nice. So, as you saw, this microscope is very helpful with the jobs that are difficult to do without one. It is very cheap and the build quality is okay for the price, but it gets the job done. I would like that the height adjustment dial would be more smooth, to have more sensitive adjustment, but this is my only complaint. So I think we can give this product a solid 8 out of 10.